Hi George, hi Dina. This is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. I spoke with Dina briefly last week about me shooting over this custom 5-minute video to you, comparing your website to your competitors and how you can generate that online traffic and bring in more customers, aka increase your revenue. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and Google HVAC companies, Houston, Texas. These right here, as you can see, are ads. These are people paying for sponsors, etc. And this is also the Google Map Pack. If you're not part of this, we'd go ahead and add you to it. A lot of times it goes hand in hand with how your website's ranking. If your website's not ranking that well, then you're not going to rank that well on Google either. And then this is the organic section. So this is where the actual rankings begin. Yelp, Angie's List, Consumer Affairs, Yellow Pages, those are all directory links. So I'm going to go ahead and just go with Ericon Houston and compare your website to that throughout the duration of this video. So first things first, I'm going to talk about content. So what is content? Content is any verbiage or wording throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and grab everything off of their homepage, and I am going to place that into a word counter that I use. And you can see that they're at about 768 words of content on their homepage. I'm going to do the same for your website. I'm going to grab that and stick it into Google or the word counter, and you can see that you're about 450 words of content. Google actually recommends having about 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to bring in those buyer intent customers. We can stuff that content with keywords that are populating high on Google and bring you that traffic. So that leads me to our second topic that we're going to talk about, which are keywords. So what is a keyword? A keyword are essentially these little phrases that people stick into Google to bring up your website. So what I do next is I go ahead and take each of your websites and I'm putting it into this tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditing tool. And I just want you to take a brief look at their traffic value right off the bat. This is the traffic generated from their website alone. They're not paying for ads. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at their keywords. But just let's pull up yours. This is your traffic value and you only have 12 keywords. So I'm going to go ahead and look at theirs. So things like what is radiant heat, and let's see, trying to find another one. Basically the ones that don't have a location attached, you can see that they have a high search volume, but that's a nationwide keyword. So what that means is that someone in Oregon per se could Google that and it would possibly populate this website. Is that the kind of customer we're looking for? Not really. It's not the kind of traffic we want to generate. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon and servicing that customer, it's not going to make us money, and it's not going to bring us a client. You want to stick to keywords that have locations attached, so air conditioner service Houston, Houston air conditioners, etc. Obviously, I know that you're in Galveston, so we can snatch up some of those surrounding towns, etc. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your keywords, and you have AC Repair Dickinson, and that's about it. So there's so much more we could do there to really bring you in that traffic. You're missing out on a lot of traffic volume because you don't have any keywords that are going to bring in that those clients. So the third thing that we are going to talk about are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 949 times. That means that provides 949 more opportunities for this website to be seen and to gain some traffic. So if we look at yours is only linked 58 times. We don't have to have more than them to outrank them. We just go for really high-powered quality backlinks. So we go for quality over quantity, and we go ahead and put ourselves on an even playing field with them, and then we continue adding month after month to completely blow them out of the water and gain you that traffic that you're looking for. Anyways, I hope that this was informative for you. Feel free to incorporate these tips yourself, or of course reach out to me for more information. I would love to help you, guide you through, talk about your business goals with you. So yeah, I appreciate your time and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.